All right, next asset class, we're gonna go to international stocks and bonds. Now I'm lumping those both together, and then you can break them out if you really wanted to, but international just means it's a non-US based company. International stocks will give you a global exposure to different countries, different continents, so you're just not fully invested in the United States. You can get global exposure to what's happening all over the world in different marketplaces, and maybe the US market's down, but the Asia market's up or the Europe market's up. It's just another way to diversify your 401k or your investment portfolio. Risk related to international stocks and bonds, it can be all the way down to a low risk level to a high, depending on what you're buying. This is where I'm suggesting, unless you're familiar with international companies, to just stick to the exchange traded funds and the mutual funds that own a basket of international stocks and bonds.